Hi guys, welcome to my video. There are a lot of times when we run Power App, users get pop-up to consent for the connection. Like in the Power App, we use connectors like SharePoint, SQL, and all. But sometimes, like users are okay, sometimes they do not, and especially if you have a huge organization, then you probably like to bypass those things. Right? So this is what I'm going to do. From the Power App calls, of course, you need to have admin rights to the app. You need to run this. Set admin power app APIs to bypass consent and app name that you're gonna include the GUID of the Power App, and you also need to provide primary environment name that you can get from the same place. Because I have not used the environment name first, so that's why I got the pop-up, but then it came. So that's how simple it is, guys, and that's how it works. So I hope you're gonna like it. So please let me know if this really helps you and any concern,